Jpac nwoke ibe ya na-akpọ n'ike onye ike ya na-eshi mmiri dịka nga nwaanyị na-ahụ period ya every month. A man that ike ya na-leak different type of color. A man that should be concentrating to even reduce na afọ ya nara na ya 90% of amụ ya. A man that is not capable to identify as a full-fledged Igbo man. A man that is allegedly in Anambra State, here na Ghana, according to what people are saying, that he body obiri na Georgia because of Ikana Boge. A man that is not concentrating that one year, that you should be worried about that. But all you are busy is to be checkmating Ogechi. Every time you make a post, Ogechi, happy Easter. Ogechi, you be in Nigeria Easter. You make a money he may be no life. Na guishim me na geshobana. Onyerugina ndugane shika be. A man that is sweating like onya bara pump no ga nurela diarrhea. A man saw me, a man is dealer, an errand boy. Eje diga shi afu obi. Inwelirike for me to stay here. Do you have the capability? Do you have the strength? You are just an errand boy. A delusion. Because you wanted so bad. Ogechi no Nigeria. Now let me tell you one thing. A lot of people called me for me to let you go, for me to ignore you. I'm going to mention this particular person that I have so much respect for. Oga Morgan. Ima Igbala Mashigoke, no problem. Are you still watching this idiot platform? I'm going to give one person that I respect so much, Oga Morgan, the only contact in that I'm born in on a problem. Even the recent problem in Nigeria and apprehend. The only surviving of your soul, the only contacting when God Abraham so Oga Morgan, I'm passing this message to you. I'm disrespectful again. I respected you countless times you called me. May respect I will not talk about him again. But this one is over with. Would they when onyem ga happen at this social media or Jpac? Or would this useless empty na for ya will spam and that spam condom? I'm not gonna leave him anymore. So Oga Morgan, please, with all due respect, check out my page. Since you spoke to me, since early this year you spoke to me, and you spoke to me again, I decided to, listen to you. As one Igbo, as one kind of number, I respect so much. Not this time around. Jpac ga no shaken knock. Muna ya ga that war. Meneya ojiri ga oji hapu MC job ya. Okoshere that day eje kuku one day nde na nwoke ibe ya like him. Habia molest am na that hotel. Jpac, let me tell you one thing. When I'm on generation to generation. Everlasting problem. I will soon return back to my base. It doesn't matter whether I spend 20 years or 50 years here. It does not matter. I just want you to have it in back of your mind that Ogechi is a citizen. That any day I can vamoose. You want to go? Now, a man that is not busy thinking that one yellow apuba female won't be experiencing child birth before. Only be every day I will get you. I can even ignore all this rat deal with them the way I'm trying to deal with. But when I get no deal league man deal league in Norway. More say so. China, I will maybe aspire. Get in our choge. Ndeji petition gwara gara. Kwede ba na-eche gị. Bata Nigeria ka ị bịa gwara ụgbọ gị. Ha na-eche gị o. In my MD like this word will turn by turn. Okay, rule everybody. You are rejoicing that's it. Over 30 men came to come. Kono bia goji nde nnụnụ agbama. Meru na station gane bege. Ogechi. Please I'm undertaken. That they got my thunder babuogi. Undertaken buogi. You met from arrest. When you saw me at the station, you was running away. Mna bega na agba. Hit am asige papa. Because him go do na ho ago. No, assignment in nyere go. Mgbe ị gara China, Jerry na ego na bere ya gene ka ha mere gi. They embarrassed you. They shamed you because you were a beggar. Look at you. Even you don't know your boundary. Each and obodo yibo deka Nigeria. Look at how this responsible man dealt with you over there and told you, come on, this is no poor. Come on, Biakoro, this your ejimelo as a man. This abagari. This chaff Bia Osumran, the two dead body. Ndabo it's a mission next this year gave bidaya or gave bidon in a bia. Uzu in a bowan, a show, a pick in a park. Give him any bit of honor now. I can now huggy, not even content or you can't create. Una future, you do no she not wash a ring. We do not wash a ring. She can't even create. She's so useless like you. Una boy wake a banuru. No nature, we batara, also I hear now. Now boss I have from up and down. I know na mo. After thousands of people calling me on your behalf, man, no when my business. Gabby made posts. Now your platform to work, you'll get you still in Nigeria. Happy Easter. Now listen, I'm not regretting that I'm in Nigeria because who do me I'm to pave way for more invention for a lot of new up thing that will come up soon. I mean, we can get discussed, man. But I'm trying to huh? Hey, I got big call you, Benishi. Lotta Biazo Baggy. Hane checking Abuja. Hane checking Lagos. And then with Hashigi Bia, they want you to report. You're supposed to report came away last week. And you're yet to return. Ashim, everybody must collect. I want to know, Ogechi. Everybody must collect. You want to go? So, also, he domananga through na this year, he be doing now, Cheraka Warum, I am back with you and my saga. Despite that I'm in Nigeria. Now, before I will go back, the only reason, one of the reasons, Jim, not to go back is that I is a challenge. We must examine that your EK. I have to supervise how many ammo got through that hole. I can never relent. So if you want me to go back to states, you get booze with EK. May assessment. What I go? I need to assess that your that because he was weebu. Because in a period every month to 3 can shiggy. You're no longer a man. In a period 3 can shiggy. The first time you traveled to China, you promised. Yeah, we're getting to how many months now? You promised as not to return to Nigeria. Now I'm challenging you again. When you return back to China, is a month. If you did not examine, if I did not examine or doctor examine that EK to prove that I went by it's just a simple challenge. I will go back to state. It's just a simple challenge. I Ogechi will personally vamoose back to state. But who must back down for me. I got a lady that will have to open it to see how many penetration and see how many pound my whole pan or banagi. I need to know the size of the thing. Chineke Brogon or useless fool. Are you not worried that Afghan 90% of Amuge very useless, unkept, other showy people on the street. Or a responsible, independent woman like me that will end up with you. Usu dekage. When I get pick, you will pass out. I don't know when they be the post. You post like a moment, you get a post money, make ignore. I mean, half or more game back. But this time around, to launch we must use eyeglass and we must use torch to examine it. I will hear about pump here, Jenny. And you may how expanded that place is on again.